So today, you've learned a lot of things. What do you think you're going to do with the things that you've learned?
Actually, I feel that most of the things have been things that I've been thinking about lately, and actually I'm just continuing putting them into practice.
Okay.
So most of the things have really been the things that have been in my thoughts for the last months. So I can just see that these have been good and right things, and I'm encouraged to use them in my life.
Okay. Do you have a role at the church or in your community that you're going to use these skills with?
I'm a pastor's wife and a worship leader in my church, and at home with a child.
And a new mommy.
So a lot of roles.
Is this your first child?
Third.
Third.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a busy lady here.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.